with whooping cough, it's called the 100-day cough. Now, usually it's only severe for a couple of weeks, but there will be coughing for a while. But what I have found, a couple of things, is finely sliced garlic on the bottom of the feet, but the garlic must never touch the skin. You put a cloth between it, and then you put it on while the child sleeps, and give them plantain tea. So the plantain's growing everywhere around here. It's also called ribwort. So it basically looks like that. And it's got these ribs. And the seed head basically looks like that. And then you can get narrow leaf plantain, where the leaf is very narrow. And it's got the ribs, but its seed head has just got a little seed head like that. It's growing everywhere. You see it on the side of the road.